Wood dyeing, finger paints. In this activity, we're going to learn how to use finger paints, making a kitchen puppet from a wooden spatula. To dye the wood, we will apply the finger paint onto the spatula using a thick school paintbrush. Next, using kitchen roll, we remove the excess paint, going with the grain. To make the puppet's eyes, we make 2 equal balls using white pack colour modelling clay and 2 smaller ones from black pack colour modelling clay. Using our fingers to flatten the white balls, we then place the black ones on top, pushing them down a little too. We mix a little white and red pack colour to make pink modelling clay. Using this clay, we make a short sausage shape for the nose and a long thin piece for the mouth. Using yellow pack colour, we now make some small balls to imitate the buttons on our puppet's costume. We then roll out a thin strip of black clay and cut a bow tie shape from this. Placing another black ball on top to make the knot. Next, we stick all this onto the spatula using white glue. For the hair, we make a small ball of wool and stick it to the head. Once the glue and clay are dry, our kitchen puppet is ready to take home. We can also use finger paints to dye the parts of a building kit. To do this, we paint the parts using either a thick school paintbrush or our fingers.